Welcome to my channel. If you love music from Papua New Guinea, you're in the right place. This channel is all about celebrating PNG talent, culture, and sound through both original songs and creative AI-powered covers. Here, you'll find a mix of fresh original music and unique AI covers inspired by some of your favorite PNG artists. I bring these songs to life in both Motu and Tok Pisin, so we can keep our languages alive while enjoying modern music in a new way. My goal is simple, to share good vibes, tell stories through music, and give a fresh twist to the sounds we already love. Whether it's emotional love songs, island-style vibes, or deep storytelling tracks, there's something here for everyone. This channel is also about creativity and innovation. By blending original music with AI covers, I'm exploring new ways to experience PNG music, while still respecting the roots and meaning behind every song. If you're proud of PNG music, if you enjoy Motu and Tok Pisin songs, or if you just love discovering something new, then this channel is for you. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and join the journey as we continue to grow and share more amazing content together. Thank you for being here, and welcome to The Vibes.